Students, today we will start with chapter number 2 and the name of the chapter is Windows 7. Friends, today we start with second chapter and the name of the chapter is Windows 7. Okay students, do you know what are Windows? Windows is an operating system. Okay, Windows is an operating system. So let us start. Students, Windows has simplified the task of managing data in a computer. How data is managed in a computer? By operating system, and the name of the operating system which is we start is Windows 7. So Windows has simplified the task of managing data in a computer. The data in computer is organized in the form of files and folders. Students, you know that if you have many files of computer, then what you do? You just make a new folder with the name of computer and store all files in a computer folder so that we can organize our data in computer. So how data is organized in computer? In the form of files and folders. For example, in real life also, if you have many pages of computers, worksheets, assignments, then you put that files in a folder so that it will be safe in for the future. Students, in Windows, you can locate your files and folders either in document folder or in Window Explorer, either in document folder or Window Explorer. You see document folder in your computer. In that folder we can store our files and our folders in documents, or you can also store in Window Explorer. Document folder is a more convenient for viewing a folder or window at a time. So which one is more convenient? Document folder is more convenient. Window Explorer is used for viewing, exploring and organizing files in a computer. Why Window Explorer is used? Window Explorer is used for viewing, exploring and organizing files. You can view your files, you can explore your files, and you can organize files in a computer in Window Explorer. Window Explorer enables you to display directory structure that include drives, then folders, then files. This is directory structure. First of all, it will tell you in which drive your folder is saved, then it will show your folder, and after that files. This is the directory structure. Okay students, so how you can start Window Explorer in your computer? You can open Window Explorer in two ways. Okay, what are the two ways? First of all, right click on the start button. First of all, right click on the start button and then select open Window Explorer option. Then you have to select open Window Explorer option. First of all, you have to right click on the start button and select open Window Explorer option. Second method is, first of all click on start button, then click on all programs, then click on Accessories, and then click on Window Explorer. Either right click on Start button and select Window Explorer option, or first of all click on Start button, then click on All Programs, then click on Accessories, and then click on Window Explorer. The window of Window Explorer is divided into two panes. The window of Window Explorer is divided into how many panes, students? Two panes, left and right. The left pane displays the disk drives and folders in a hierarchical order. The left pane, the left pane displays? What this display left pane? Disk drives and folders in a hierarchical folder order. The right pane displays the content of drive and folder that is selected in the left pane. So it has two panes. The left pane displays the disk drives and folders in a hierarchical order, and the right pane displays the what contents are stored in the left pane that is selected. You will find the students these two signs placed before the disk drive or folder name. See, this is the filled, this is the empty. So these type of signs placed before the disk drives or folder name. Students, what this sign indicate? That this sign indicate that a folder contain subfolder, means in a folder there are subfolders also. This sign indicate this, that in the folder it contains subfolder. Clicking this sign displays the subfolder inside the folder, and when this sign changes to field of this sign, this process is called expanding. This process is called expanding. If you click this sign, the expanded subfolder collapse back. Okay, students. So our Window Explorer has two panes, left and right. The left pane indicates the disk drives and folders, and the right pane displays the what content is stored in the disk drive and folder. And we also find these two signs before the disk drive or folder name. This sign indicates that the folder contains subfolder. Okay, when this sign changes to this sign, this process is called expanding. And when you click this sign, you will expand that subfolder. Collapse, that means you will start with the first. Let us try. We will try this with the help of example practically. Okay, students. So what is the example? Click on the D drive. You have to click on the D drive of your computer. The subfolder of D drive will be expanded in the left pane. Observe that all the subfolders are arranged alphabetically in a hierarchical order. I say na, means alphabetically. To assess the contents of any folder or file, just double click on it. The content of the subfolder that you have selected are displayed in the right pane. I say na, in left pane you have seen various folders and disk drives, and when you click on this you will get the content in the right pane. Okay, students. So viewing files or folders. Windows provides many ways to arrange and identify your files while you are viewing them. Okay, the information can be viewed in different modes, okay, by clicking on the drop down arrow. This is the drop down arrow of more option located on the toolbar. So how you can view your files or folders? There are different ways. First is extra large and large icons. You can see your icons extra large or large. They display gigantic and large icons of the files and folders. If you want this size more and more big, then you will click on the extra large and large icons. This will display the gigantic icon of the files and folders. This too can be very useful while working with images and audio files. Okay students, so the what is extra large and large icon display? It displays the gigantic and large icon of the files and folders. And how they are useful? They are useful when working with audio and video files. Next is medium icons. It displays the file and folders as medium size icon. These are not big icons but in medium size icon, giving you a better idea of the file content. Next is small icon. It displays your files and folders in small icons. Students, see, these are small icons and these are medium icons. If you click on large icon, then this will be more big. So these are the small. Okay, it displays your file and folder as small icons with a preview of its contents. Okay, the file name is displayed next to the icon. Okay, the file name is displayed here. Okay, these are the file names. Next is list. List this view display the content as a list of files or folder name preceded by small icons. Okay, this is the list view. List view displays the contents as a list of files and folders preceded by a small icon. This view is useful if your folder contains many files. If your folder contains many files in it, then you can choose list icon and you want to scan the list for a file name. You can sort your file and folders in this view. In this view, you can sort, means in ascending or descending order, you can choose your file or folders. Next is details. Detail view provide detailed information about your file and folder. This is the this is not detailed, but detailed view provide you detailed information about your file and folder. Detailed information means it includes your name, who create that file, who is the author, type, means this is an image file or video file, whatever file, it will display the type, size, how many size of this file is there, and date, on which date the file is created. So it will display the detailed information. Next is tiles. It displays file and folder as a medium size icons. It also displays the basic information of the file present, such as its size and type. Only basic information with medium size icon it will display. Tiles. Okay students, this is the tiles. See, it will display the some information like this is a file folder, this is a file folder. Okay, this will display here. Here is not right now file and folder, but here right. So this is the medium size icon, but it will display the basic information that in this folder there are files. Okay, so next is content. It displays each file and folder on a separate row along with their detailed information. Means with the detailed information it displays a separate row. Like date modified, when the modified of this file version means date modified, size and author. So students, today what we have studied, Windows 7 means why window is used for managing data in a computer, and we can locate our file and folders in either document folder or in Window Explorer. Document we use generally is more convenient, but Window Explorer is also used for viewing, exploring and organizing files in a computer. Okay, then this is some here we discuss that what is the process of starting Window Explorer. Either you can right click on the start button, or you can open then Window Explorer, or you can click on the start button, then all programs, then accessories, then Window Explorer. After that we study Window Explorer has two panes, left and right. The left pane indicates the disk drive and folders, and the right pane, what it will display, it displays the contents which is stored in the disk drive and folders. Viewing files or folders, in this we study there are different ways of viewing files or folders, either extra large or large icons, medium icons or small icons. Okay, large icon indicates gigantic and large icons of the files and folders. These are used when we are working with images or video files, but medium icons are used when you want to it gives a better idea of the file content, and small icons are used. Okay, this is a small icon and the file name is displayed next to the icons. Okay, so these are the viewing files or folders, how you can view your file or folders in Window Explorer. And these are also their list, details, titles and contents. So you all have to study this. Okay, what is right important points right here? Library is a kind of folder in Windows 7 used to manage documents, music, pictures and other files. So library is a folder in Windows 7 which is used for managing documents, music, picture and other files. Okay students, these are the various views of managing file and folder. This is the medium icon view, this is the small icon view, this is the list view, and this is the titles view. Okay students, so thank you.